Morning, students. Now we are going to start with the reading of this chapter, bicycle in good repair. Okay. So we have read about the chapter that what narrator's friend has done. Okay. So he has at once taken out, you can say he has at once taken out the gear case, he loosened the chain, then he has tightened it so much that it did not move. Okay, so in this manner, he was playing with his bicycle. Now from here, that is thus encouraged. Okay, so I'm going to start from this, you can say, paragraph. Now let us start the reading so that afterwards we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. So thus encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. So as we have read that he has tried to open up the gear case, he thought that it was really very easy to open up the gear case, but afterwards he really found it difficult to fix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the offside. So what he did, with the wall of the house, he put the bicycle and then he started to do the work. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the on-side. Then when it was not done there, then what he did, he has put it against a tree so that he could fix the things. Then I held it for him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels and worked at it from below. Then what he did, he lied under the, you can say, bicycle, and ultimately bicycle was over him and he was lying onto the ground, okay, to do the things, and dropped oil upon himself. Then what happened, the oil from the gearbox, it was dropped over him. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over on his head. Then he told, don't touch it, you're not able to manage it. Then what happened, he has taken that bicycle from the narrator and ultimately the bicycle also fell over him. Then he lost his temper. Naturally, he got angry and he tried bullying the thing. Bullying means he was trying forcibly to do the thing with the bicycle because he was fixing the gearbox. As it was not, he was not able to fix it. So he was trying with force. The bicycle, I was glad to see, showed spirit. And the subsequent proceedings, subsequent means afterward, whatever he was doing, degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine. So afterwards, whatever he was doing with the bicycle, what it was only like that of rough tumble. Okay, tumble fight means it was rough and tumble means they were both fighting with each other. He was trying to put the bicycle in good condition, but actually he is not able to do that. So one moment bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on top of it. Next position would be reversed, he on the gravel and the bicycle on him. In order to fix that gearbox, he was trying every position. At one time, he is putting the bicycle on the ground, he is sitting and fixing the gearbox. When it is not done, you can say he himself got lay onto the ground and he was fixing the gearbox. It means sometimes the bicycle is on the ground and at the other time he is on the ground. But his triumph would be short-lived. But his victory means this type of condition was very short-lived. By a sudden movement, it would free itself and turning upon him. He means he was just trying to have control over the bicycle, but what is happening? Every time the machine is taking hold of him, he is losing control over the bicycle, and bicycle is again over him. And it hit him sharply over the head with one of its handles, and one of the handle, it got hit at his head. So the next part, at 1:45. See, since morning 7 o'clock they have started and now it is 1 o'clock. 1:45. 15 minutes left to 1. Dirty and disheveled. Dirty, disheveled means mismanaged everything. Cut and bleeding. He has cuts, his hands were bleeding, at head they was bleeding. He said, I think that will do, and he rose and wiped his brow. He thought that now finally the thing is over, and finally he cleaned his brow. Brow means his forehead. The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it. Even when he looked at the bicycle, it also seemed that what he has seen, he has also seen that even the bicycle had put in great labor, great hard work, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. It seems that even the bicycle has received great punishment. I took him into the back kitchen where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. Then I sent him home. Because his clothes were soiled, they were covered with oil, black, they have turned. So he said, I have taken to the back kitchen, means back side of the kitchen where some water, some tap was there. There he cleaned himself and finally I told him to go home. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. So now, wait a minute, please. Now, next afterwards, we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So I hope that you have understood it very well. So these are the first part of comprehension check that we have to do. So please open up your books on this page. Okay. Please open up your books on this page so that we can do the question answers. Yes. So here is the book. Yes. Yes, Harshia, you want to say something? Yes, I have unmuted you.
I want to give answer.
Okay. So what is the first question? The first question is, I got up early for me. What it implies? Yes, what it implies, Harshia?
He was an early riser.
Yes, he was an early riser. That means he wakes up early in the morning. Okay. So the next one is, the bicycle easily goes. So Bhavesh, I will unmute you also. Wait a minute, please. Yes. So next one is, bicycle easily goes enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. So what kind of remark is this? What is the meaning of this remark, first of all?
Sarcastic.
What is sarcastic? Sarcastic means something serious. Is he serious here?
Humorous.
Humorous, funny it is, because bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. He's making fun. Okay, it is humorous. Next is, the friend shook the bicycle violently. Find 2 or 3 sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. Friend shook the bicycle. What he said? He said, don't do that.
You will hurt it.
Yes, don't do that. You will hurt it. And the other one?
Don't you trouble about it anymore.
Yes, don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. You will make yourself tired. Or the next one is, it doesn't.
It doesn't if you don't wobble it.
Yes, it doesn't if you don't wobble it. So it doesn't. So it doesn't if you don't wobble it. So these are the 3 sentences. It doesn't if you don't wobble it, or don't do that.
You will hurt it.
Hurt it. You will hurt it, or don't you trouble about it anymore. Don't you trouble about it anymore. moved. Okay, so these are the three phrases which are used here. So the next one is, if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refers to?
It refers to the ball bearings of the
Very
bicycle.
good. So what does it refers to? It refers to the ball bearings. What does it refer to? It refers to the ball bearings. Okay. So next afterwards, coming up to the next one. Wait a minute. Stop. Sorry. Yes. Next, we are having those question answers.
Experiencing a force direct.
Yes. So now let us start. Wait a minute, please. Just a moment. Yes. So Mishti Puri has come. Just a moment, please. Next afterwards, we are having those question answers shared on your screen. It is working with the text part. Okay, so working with the text. So first question is, did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? And give a reason for your answer. Does it really wobble?
No,
No, the front wheel actually
did not
not
wobble much.
wobble, but it wobbled only occasionally, means at some of the points. No, the front wheel did not wobble, but it only wobble occasionally. Sometimes it happens. Okay. And what is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. Okay.
No, because we can say so. Because the author says it didn't wobble. As a matter of fact, nothing worth calling it a wobble.
Yes, because we come to know that the wheel did not wobble, as the author said that it doesn't wobble. If you don't wobble, it means that the wheel did not wobble. It wobble only occasionally, and the bicycle was in a perfectly good condition. Okay, so how the bicycle was? The bicycle was in a perfectly good condition, and the author was satisfied with the condition of the bicycle. Okay, so what that the author was satisfied with the condition of the bicycle. So clear this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next afterwards, the next question is, in what condition did the author, 1 minute please, let me open up. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed?
When he
Yes.
returned, he
Yes.
saw that his friend was sitting on the ground with the front wheel of the bicycle between his legs. He was playing with it and twiddling it round between his fingers, and the rest was lying on the gravel path beside him.
Very good, right, absolutely right. So when the author returned from the tool shed, what he was doing, his friend had already taken the front wheel of the bicycle. He has taken out the front wheel of the bicycle. Okay, and what he was doing, he was sitting on the ground with front wheel between his legs, and the rest of the parts of the bicycle was lying onto the gravel path. Okay, on the gravel path or on the gravel path beside him. Okay, so once again repeat what happened, that when the author returned from the tool shed, his friend, what he has done, he has already taken out the front wheel of the bicycle. Okay, he was sitting he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He has put the front wheel between his legs. Okay, and ultimately and the rest of the bicycle was lying on the gravel path. Rest of the thing was lying on the gravel path. Okay. Now next, nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, sorry. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. What actually means? What was author's friend? Yes, Bhavya. Harshia, anyone? Yes.
The author friend says nothing is easier than taking off the gear case.
Hmm.
The author warns him that he had heard by one of his experienced friends that if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one to it comes cheaper.
Okay, so in a very simple manner, we can write down when he said nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, the author's friend means that it is very easier to open the gear case, or it is very easy to take out the or take out the gear case. Okay, but what was in continuation of that? What happened? But author's friend finally realized that it was really very difficult to refix it. Okay, so what happened? He found that it was really very difficult to refix it. Means to fix it is not so easily. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, what author's friend found? Author's friend found that it is really very easy to take off the gear case, but author's friend found that it was really very difficult to fix it. It was really very difficult to fix it. Next, afterwards, clear this answer?
Yes.
Okay, next. What special treatment did the chain receive? What the author's friend has done with the chain?
He had tightened the chain so much that it stopped moving completely.
Very
Then he
good.
began to loosen it, and he loosened it until it became twice as loose as it
As
was
it was
before.
before. Very good. Misty, I got you know the answer. So, so what will be the answer? The author's friend, first of all, he tightened the chain so much that it did not move. First of all, he has tightened it so much that it did not move. Later on, what he did? Then he loosened it till it became twice as loose it was before.
As it was
Then what
before.
happened? Then he loosened it that it became twice as loose as it was before. Clear? This answer was the direct one. I hope that no problem is there. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next is the friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing, is absolutely sure it is good. Now find two phrases in the text which mean the same. Only two phrases are given that I have mentioned.
Cheery confidence.
Very good. It was cheery confidence, and the another one was
Inexplicable hopefulness.
inexplicable. So what is the meaning of inexplicable? What is
That
the
can't be explained.
that cannot be explained?
Explained.
Hopeful, not hopefulness. It means that he was trying everything with every effort that he was making. The bicycle was again and again getting bad. Okay, it is all the things were destroyed, but still he was having hopeful that it will be fixed in its proper shape. Okay, so now the next question is describe the fight between the man and the machine. Okay, so how was it? Yes, who will speak? Ayushi, you can. Mishti, can you speak? Can you give the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The author's bicycle did not need any treatment. It was in good condition, but the friend of the author made it a very big deal and he messed it all up. And he actually made it such that now it would need a lot of repair. The fight between the man will be understood by the following paragraph. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on the top of it. The next, the position would be reversed. He on the gravel path and the bicycle on him.
Very
Now he
good.
would be standing flushed with the victory, the
Hmm.
bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his triumph would be a short-lived. By a sudden, quick movement, it would free itself and, turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of its handles.
Yes, yes, very good. So first of all, what you will write down, the fight between the author's bicycle as well as his friend was quite funny also, and moreover, it is also disgusting as the author's bicycle was quite in good condition. Okay, but author's friend, first of all, the author's friend, what he said, author's friend thought that its front wheel wobbled and he has taken out the front wheel. So when he has taken out the front wheel, it took a lot of time to fix the front wheel. Later on, what he did, later on he loosened the chain. So first of all, he tightened the chain, but when it stopped moving, then he loosened it as twice as before. Okay, or it became twice as loose as it was before. Thirdly, when he again found that the bicycle was not in good condition, what he did, he has taken off, or he took off the gear case. He thought that it was really very easy to fix the gear case, but he has to struggle a lot to fix the gear case. And in that fight, what happened? Oil spilled over his clothes also. At one point, he fixed the bicycle with the wall of the house. Then he fixed it against the tree. And the next time he was lying under the bicycle and the oil spilled over his clothes. Right? And then finally, what he did, in order to fix the gear case, sometimes he was on the gravel path or gravel and bicycle over him, and the next moment the bicycle is over him and he is on the gravel path. So it seems like a fight between both of them. Okay, so finally, when he thought that everything was finished or everything was fixed properly, but this happiness was very short lived. As he held the bicycle between his legs, suddenly what happened? Suddenly it showed a quick movement. Suddenly what happened? It showed a quick movement, and finally it would free himself, and the handle of the bicycle hit his friend's forehead. Okay, and what happened? And it hit his friend's forehead and ultimately causing some bleeding. Okay, ultimately causing some bleeding. So what it means? It means that the fight was really very funny, but it included cheery hopefulness, or cheery, you can say, confidence of author's friend. So now you got to know what you have to write in this answer. You will be able to write. Show me your thumbs up, or should I repeat? Fine, it's fine. Very good. Janisha, I am not just, you can say, listening from you anything in the class. Otherwise, I thought that you are quite a good, you can say, speaker, because she is not present today. Okay. But I have never got any answer from Janisha, never. Now is working with language. These are model auxiliaries. These we will do later on with the back exercise. So now in the next one, yes, here it is given. Rewrite each of the following sentences using should and ought to. For example, you are obliged to do your duty, means when there is no way out. Which model auxiliary you are using then? Which model auxiliary you are using then? For example, you are obliged to means you must.
Must.
Must, or at the place of are obliged, you will use must. Next is you will do well to study.
Should.
You should. Very good. Second answer is should. Third is the doctor says it is necessary for her to sleep 8 hours. When it is
a must.
Then
Must.
Must. The doctor says it is must. Okay, or that she must sleep for 8 hours every night.
Nice.
Next is, it is right that you can show respect towards elders and affection towards youngsters.
You ought to.
You ought to. Very good. You ought to show respect towards elders and affection towards youngsters. Next is, if you want to stay healthy, exercise regularly.
You must
Yes,
exercise
to stay
regularly.
healthy, you must exercise regularly. Next is,
Regular.
it is good for you to take a walk every morning.
You should take a
You
walk
should
every
take a walk every morning. Very good. Next, it is strongly advised that you don't stand on your head. Strongly
It is a
advised.
must
You
not.
must not. You must not stand on your head. Next,
Head.
afterwards, we are having. Wait a minute, please. Last one is, as he has a cold, it is better for him to go bed.
He should go to bed.
Go back to bed, right? So this is all that we have to do till today. Tomorrow we will continue in the next class. Actually, we will continue with the back exercise of this chapter. Okay. So I hope that now it is clear to you, right? So you have to write down these question answers in your notebooks. Okay, fine. So that's all for today, right? So we will continue with it afterwards. Okay. Thank you very much.